Page 248, this is the one at the top of the page called Hanukkah. They have a melody. They're giving you the chord numbers, the Roman numerals, and we get to figure out how it all works together. Well, first I want to know what the melody sounds like, so I'm going to play it. There's two flats, so it's either B flat or G minor, and we'll check that in a minute. Yeah. Then the chords. Well, now I need to know what the key is, because the Roman numeral, the number applies to the key. It's a one chord in the key. Is it B flat major or G minor? Because in B flat major, it's here, one chord. In G minor, one chord is here. So I need to know which it is. I look at the end, it's a B. I'm guessing we're in B flat major, because it's ending on a B. A lot of times it'll end on as tonic. We'll start with B flat and see how it goes. So if the chords now, then we want a one chord. It's here. And then the fourth major over to 2-6. We're going to use a 2 chord, which is here. Go up 1, it's here. But we're going to use an inversion, so I'm going to put the G on the bottom. So I'm going from here to here for the 2 chord. And then the 5-7 chord is our regular one that we've been using. That's fine. It doesn't say to use an inversion. I'm going to do it anyway. I'm not going to play root on that. Technically you could, but I'm not going to. I'm too lazy. You play root. I'm going to do this. Yeah. So these are the chords. The 1, the 2, the 5-7, and the 1. That way I'm not moving around. And then put them together. The 2 chord, remember, is that? Okay. And then go on. And the 5-7 chord. The 5-7. Yeah, so that seems to work. It's a little heavy, but okay, that's what it is. By the way, the fingering in that right hand at the end, last 3 measures, I changed from a 4 to a 3. That's because I need to be in position for the B flat. I could do it with that's okay. I mean, I can do that. It's just, that's good. And you can change because you got all those A's. You can change any time. You don't have to wait till the last one to change. Well, I didn't like it too much, but that's what's doing. They're only recommending half notes and block chords. Ugh. I think I would rather do a broken chord. Of course, I don't like that inversion if I'm going to do that. That's you experiment. Try different things out. They want you to transpose this to C major. So we're going to go from B flat major to C major. We're going to go up 1 note. So everything goes up 1. Instead of an F, I'll play a G. Instead of an E, I'll play an F. And instead of an A, I'll play a B. That's the melody. Then the chords, well, the 1. And the 2 is here, but I'm going to put the A in the bottom. I don't want to move her. I mean, I'm not moving anyway. I can do that. I'm going to do that. Pick one. I don't care what you use. Your teacher might, but I don't care. And the 5-7, you do that. But that's basically what it is.